Are you familiar with Yogi Akal?
It rings a bell, but no.
Now these are two YouTube videos that apparently have been up for a month or two, and with like no views. And I can't believe no one had alerted me to this previously. Yogi Akal is a numerology yogi. And you know how I like the numerologies. And he does readings and talks about people. He'll basically give you a numerology reading based upon your birth date. Now, do you believe in any of this stuff?
I like to play with it, but I really don't believe in any of it.
So in order to promote his services, and I think he's $45 a pop for a simple reading, he has done the numerology of tech leaders, including Mark Zuckerberg and John C. Dvorak.
Oh.
And I heard this. And like, of course, the question is, does he have your real birth date? Because, I don't know, you could be 34 for all I know. You could be 79. So I don't know.
Both are possibilities.
Whatever's on the wiki page, I think, because it looks like he got pictures from the wiki page. And would you like to hear your numerological reading?
I'm absolutely riveted here now already.
Listen up.
Welcome to Tech Numerology. My name is...
By the way, the guy has a turban and everything, a beard, a turban, and he looks legit, I have to say.
What do you mean looks legit?
He looks like...
Legit what?
A legit yogi. He looks good. I mean, the guy's like a yogi dude. I like him.
Yogi Akal. We're looking at one of the influencers in the tech industry, John C. Dvorak. Now, I've just received this birthday. It's the first time I've looked at it.
This, by the way, that's always whenever they say that, I've just received this, I've never looked at it, that's always kind of suspicious.
Yes, it sounds like, yeah.
All right.
So I'm going to do a quick analysis of it, and hopefully that'll be useful to John and perhaps useful to you as well, for those watching. First of all, when I look at this, John, it's like looking at the Beach Boys.
This caught my attention, as you can imagine.
That's the kind of energy that you have. That's the kind of person that you are. I don't know what you do in your world. I don't know what your life is like. But you ought to have some of that music around, and hopefully you're in California a lot. If you're not surfing, you ought to be singing. It's just one of the pleasures.
I should be singing.
Yeah. Is he referencing the dead Beach Boys or the ones that are still alive?
The dead Beach Boys.
Your life, you're a communicator.
Or the crazy one. Was it Dennis Wilson, who's completely bonkers?
Brian.
Brian.
Your voice has to be used. You have to be heard.
Mm-hmm.
And you
have to be heard.
No, it's good. This is good. Listen up. It's really good.
Yeah, this is typical bull crap.
The kind of impact on people that somehow makes them feel more acknowledged in their life.
Mm.
It's a very powerful combination of healing and good business.
You have power.
Now this year, 2011, is your year to plan ahead. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 years. This is not a year for you to be thinking about tomorrow or 1 year ahead, or how you're going to feel in 2 or 3 years, but how you're going to feel in a decade and a half. How you'd like the world to be, because you're an influencer there.
You are.
In 10 years or 15 years. And make your decisions this year and next year and the year after based on that longer-term vision. This is an important process for you.
Yes.
Because at the beginning of your life, you were living in a little bit of a mystery.
Oh!
Now you're living in a place where there's a great deal of sense of self.
Yes.
You know who you are.
Uh-huh.
And you're going to move into a whole other stage of your life over the next 10, 15 years where you have much more power. Now, I'm not saying power to control, but you have more power. You personally, within yourself, more energy, more vitality, more influence, more impact. What a good place to be.
Yeah.
And this is your year to work. Forget vacations.
Listen
if someone offers you a trip, only do if it involves work.
Yeah, see, this is totally you. It's like,
well,
forget
that's all
vacation.
I've ever done, so what's new?
If you're involved in any relationships, pay attention to the detail and the diplomacy of every relationship in your life.
Exactly.
But don't try to make anything permanent right now.
No.
You should have some fun.
Fun.
You should be singing a song, and you should be surfing in California. On your phone.
On your phone.
This is Tech Numerology.
You should be surfing in California on your phone, John. I'm telling you, people who are listening to this will think it's pretty accurate. I think it's very accurate. I really like it.
It's a lot of general stuff, which is typical. I used to, you remember that guy, Edwards, who used to be crossing over and he had his TV show and all?
No, I sorry.
You remember? Oh,
no. And
I always figured, if you ever listen to one of these guys doing an analysis of someone else, imagine that they're doing the analysis of you and does it apply? And you'll find that 99% of the time it does.
Would you
it's very generalized.
Of course. Well, you say
things that fortune tellers like to do.
You say that.
Separate you from your money.
You say that. But the yogi also did a reading of me.
Of you?
Yes. As a tech influencer. Would you like to hear the numerology reading of?
Well.
Yes.
Welcome to Tech Numerology. My name is Yogi Akal.
It's clear the guy doesn't know me, by the way, because he's mispronouncing my name. It's like Adam Curry. It's like totally wrong.
That's a scam. He does that on purpose.
Well, listen to what he says.
And today we're looking at one of the influencers in the industry, Adam Curry. My producer gave me his birthday. I'm not familiar with this birthday. It's the first time I've seen it. So I'm going to give you an immediate take on the numerology for this person. And see how you can connect to that.
Okay, connect. He's looking at a piece of paper, and he's in deep thought here. He's like,
There are some people who have a flair with words, and others who tend to be reactive to words. But what happens when you have both? What happens when you tend to be a little reactive, but you also have a flair? You have to be careful not to flare up. This is the most important thing for Adam Curry.
Correct.
Because he has the facility in his life that what he says can happen.
Yeah, I have power. When I say it, it can happen.
It's quite a power to have in one's life.
Yes.
But if you don't master it, and you don't master it as a careful study,
that it's a weapon of mass destruction,
a careful discipline, it starts to work against you. And then you really can't believe anything that happens or what anybody says to you. So, Adam, this is a special challenge in your life.
Yes.
Now, everybody can relate to this because everyone has had this situation happen to them where someone doesn't tell them the truth or they're not sure about the integrity of what they're saying themselves. But for Adam, there cannot be a compromise on this.
No.
Oh. Stop compromising.
When there is a life of success, you cannot allow anybody to infiltrate that life.
Exactly.
So, Adam, this is the key to your happiness.
You got to get rid of Mickey?
Stop infiltrating my life, Mickey. Go away. He gets a genius thing in a minute here, which you're going to love.
Okay.
Happiness is something that you get to manage.
I manage my
You
happiness.
also have an impact on other people's happiness, on their state of mind.
I agree.
That doesn't mean you're responsible for it. You're not. But you have an impact. Not just professionally, not just personally, but on a deeper level.
See, a deeper level. I have an impact on a deeper level. Yeah.
How you think and what you say has an impact that lasts.
Yeah.
That's quite a position to be in.
Yeah.
And it has to be through the written, spoken, or visualized word. In other words, it can be done through radio and television.
What other kind are there?
What? Well, no, listen, he explains it.
It can be done through the internet, it can be done through spoken word, through written word, photography. Anything that has to do with the media arts is what works best for you.
There you go. That's true. Now, here comes the kicker.
I don't like to talk about past lives.
No.
Wait for it.
It can get misunderstood so easily. But in this case, it's worth saying. You're done.
I'm done. You
What's that mean?
Well,
you've done everything that has to be done. And the only reason you're here, the only reason, is to do it with more consciousness, more awareness.
Exactly.
Everything you're doing, you've done before.
Mm-hmm.
And now you're doing it better.
Better.
Everyone you meet, you've known before.
Remember when we met in the 1700s?
Now you're doing it better. So this is your opportunity to get it right, especially in the domain of words. You can be so kind, but you cannot ever drop the ball on that. I imagine this year in particular, there's a lot of work on yourself. That's why I'm speaking so directly.
Yes.
Next year, there's no stopping you. If you're looking at new partnerships, both personally and professionally, put it off till next year because that's the time for you to start connecting in a way that will last. This is Tech New.
So apparently I was doing top 40 radio in the Middle Ages. I'm done.
Let him finish.
That's the end. That's the end of it. That's the
It
end.
got cut off.
No, he says, I'm Yogi Akal. That's the end. That was the end. Yeah. I like it. I think he's spot on about me. I'm done.
Oh yeah,
I'm done.
I've always thought you were during the. I thought you did. I always thought you did take part in the Madison administration.
As the town crier?
Yeah, that's it. The town crier.
Yeah, I like that. I want to be a crier. Yeah.
What's wrong with that guy? He's crying.
Anyway, I like the Yogi. I think he's good.
What did he say about Zuckerberg?
Oh, it goes on forever. He says Zuckerberg is like you've had 3 incarnations, and he also did Leo.
Oh, he did. What did he say about Leo?
Yeah, well, go
So
ahead.
he likes to talk. He likes to work on the Twit broadcast.
Yeah, you should do something this week. I'm seeing this week something.
This week.
This week, I'm seeing this week.